In the previous session, we had discussed what is bisection method. Now, in the today's session, we will discuss the example of bisection method. Let us consider the equation, that is f of x equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. In this, first we have to calculate initial guess values, that is the value of a and b, to find the value of c. Now we have to put the values from 0, and this takes place until and unless the value of function is get first negative and second positive. By putting the values from 0, we get first negative value at initial guess value 2 and second positive value of function at initial guess value 3. Therefore, our final initial guess values are 2 and 3. By putting the initial values 2 and 3 in the C, we get C equals to 2.5. And then by putting the value of C in the f of x, that is f of C, we get 5.625. Here the sign of f of C is positive, therefore sign is positive. According to the possibilities of bisection method, here the sign of f of C is positive, hence we replace b by the value 2.5, that is the value of C. Here the value of a remains same and b becomes 2.5. By putting the values of a and b in the formula of C, we get 2.25. Then again by putting the value of C in the function, that is f of C, we get the value 1.8906. Here also the sign is positive. Again here f of C becomes positive, and hence we again replace the value of b by the value of C. Here also a remains same. The value of b becomes 2.25. By putting the values of a and b in the C, we get 2.125. Again by putting this value in the function, that is f of C, we get 0.3457. Here also the value is positive. Again by replacing the b with C, we get the value of C, that is 2.0625. Again by putting the value in the f of C, we get minus 0.3513. Here the value is negative. Here again the possibilities of bisection method. Here the f of C is negative, hence we replace a by C and b remains same. Therefore the value of a becomes 2.0625 and b remains same, 2.125. Again by putting the values of a and b in the C, we get 2.0937. Again by putting this into the f of C, we get minus 0.0094. Again the value is negative. These iterations takes place 9 times, and finally we get the value of root, that is 2.0956, which is the value of C, and it lies between the initial guess values a and b. Here the root of the equation is 2.0956, and here we calculate all these values of the f of C and the value of C by using calculator. Thank you.